So, wie man gesehen hat, wie spät es ist. You just saw how late it is or early it is. Today's date is the 5th, 2020. Heutige Datum ist der 20.05.2020. Und habt ihr gesehen, wie spät es ist? Bin aufgewacht vor ungefähr 10 Minuten und ich musste mich kratzen. Und ich habe gedacht, ich habe wirklich schlimm reingeschabt. Aber ich habe nur die Oberfläche angekratzt, denn gestern nach dem Schaben, wo ich gemacht habe, und wieder ein paar Mal muss ich noch nachschaben und es tut gut, ne? Wenn man so richtig reinsticht und dann diesen Juckreiz vernichtet. Ja, ich habe aber kein Gewebe rausgeholt. Und gestern auch nach dem Rausschaben, also nach dem Hauptrausschaben, wo ich das Gewebe gefilmt habe mit den Bondings drin. Danach habe ich nur noch leichte gemacht, nicht wahr? Also da ist kaum was rausgekommen. Und gerade eben auch vor 10 Minuten bin ich aufgewacht und ich dachte tief schaben, aber habe ich nicht. Obwohl ich wieder schöne Krallen bekommen habe, ne? So I'm just showing off here my new clothes, you know, because about 10 minutes ago I woke up and I had to scrape again, you know, and I hoped, no, I didn't hope, I hoped I wouldn't take out any tissue, you know, and luckily I didn't take any out. I just had to itch, and as soon scratch, yes. As soon the itch was over, you know, it was a good feeling, but I kept on doing it, and it was bleeding a little bit, yes, of course, but I didn't get any tissues out, which is a good thing. And last night, where I scraped out tissue with lots of morgellons on it, afterwards I put on this dragon blood. It's called San Diego del Draco. Also dieses San Diego del Draco, dieses Drachenblut, hat mir geholfen. Also ich habe auch drüber lange nachgedacht, soll ich es bestellen oder nicht. Ich habe es auf YouTube gefunden, nicht wahr? Ich hätte auch so normal googeln können, aber dann hätte ich wahrscheinlich tonnenweise davon gefunden. Was mir wichtig war, ist, meine Heilpraktikerin, sie gab mir so ein Fläschchen zum Probieren. Ich habe sie in Papier getan, weil das tut fürchterlich Flecken machen. Also wenn man diese Flüssigkeit auf Kleider bekommt, dann bekommt man sie nie wieder raus. Und sie hat mir diese Probe hier gegeben, die war ungefähr so halb voll. Die habe ich mit der Wundspülung ein bisschen verdünnt, um das Alkohol rauszubekommen. Und es hat es war viel besser. So my healing alternative healer, she gave me like half of this dragon blood, which comes from this tree, and it had alcohol in it. So I've mixed it up with some of this what's it called, this wound stuff. It's called wound irrigation solution, Wundspülung. So you must not get this on your clothes, otherwise you will not get the stains out ever again. Yeah, it's a good call, you know. A tree in South America, in Peru actually, but in South America I believe it's the same thing. It produces that, you know. So dieser Baum in Peru sieht aus wie vom Weiden, wie ein Pilz, der fotografiert wurde, richtig klein, nicht wahr? So sieht er aus. Ne? So from far away, you know, they took a picture of it, looks like a mushroom, you know, they made a miniature photograph of it, that's how it looks like. So I didn't Google it, I looked it up on YouTube, you know, putting down dragon blood, San Diego del Draco, sorry. So Dragon Blood, das Drachenblut habe ich eingegeben auf Deutsch, und San Diego del Draco auf YouTube. Habe ich sogar in meiner Playliste eine Playliste erstellt dafür. So it's also in a playlist that I've put into my playlist. Well, not my playlist, but it's an extra playlist. And there I have got 2 clips in it. One of them it shows about this person explaining nicely about it, and it's all 100% vegan, you know. And you may even put droplets in it into water, and it's good for your intestines, you know. And it has lots of positive things about your when you've got dermatitis, like I do, and when you got open wounds, they healed very quickly because what it does just like this wound flushing stuff, you know. It closes the wound very quickly. So with alcohol in it, it's a different thing, you know. It shouldn't be alcohol in it. So there's another clip in it that makes a commercial about it with alcohol in it, 5% I think it is. But it's still, why is this alcohol in there? It shouldn't be in there. There's something like maple syrup from Canada, for instance, or the US. Well, maple syrup is becoming scarce because, you know, the chemtrails are destroying the trees. So, you know, the farmers have problems with it. Okay, maybe it's because it's a lot of sugar in it, in maple syrup. So they don't have to put alcohol in it. But still, why should you put anyways alcohol in it, you know? So, might as well use alcohol only, you know, and it only cleans a wound, but it doesn't cover it or stops bleeding, you know, stops it from bleeding. So I ordered this other stuff. It's 50 milliliters for about 24 euros plus $3.99 shipping and receiving, you know, shipping and handling, you know. So I've ordered it, and it's because, you know, it has these things that it can stop bleedings very quickly, and this is a very good thing that I must have, because, you know, it feels like it's dry up there already. It's a little bit still moist, yeah, see it's shining, yeah. So still, you know, we'll see how it works.